Next, the second chapter is HCF and LCM of numbers. This first one is factors and multiples. A number which is exactly divisible by b, we say it is a factor of b, then b is a multiple of a. Here I have an example 8. 4 2s are 8 and a 2 and 4 are exactly divisible by 8 and 2 and 4 are multiples of 8. That is the meaning of this. Next one is highest common factor. HCF of two or more numbers is the greater number that is divisible by each of them. Here I have two methods. First one is factorization method and second one is division method. Third one is LCM, least common multiple. It is the easiest method where you have where you can write is 4 comma 2, 2 2s are 2 1s are, and another one 1 comma 1. Right? In the last one you have 1 comma 1. The product of the two numbers equal to the product of the HCF and LCM. Co-primes are the ones in which the HCF is always equal to 1. For that I have an example 2 comma 3 comma 8 like that and goes on like that. HCF and LCM of fractions. In this first one you have HCF equal to HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. LCM equal to LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. Next, moving into the exercise. Exercise 1. First one, find the HCF of 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 7 power 4, comma 2 square into 3 power 5 into 5 square into 7 cube, comma 2 cube into 5 cube into 7 square. So I have in solution prime number common to the given numbers are 3 comma 5 comma 7. These are always the prime numbers. Okay, so HCF you must write. They have asked HCF to find out the HCF they have asked. So I have the least number here 2 cube is the highest one. Here I have 2 square and here 2 cube. Which is the least in these three? 2 square. So I have written 2 square here. So I have 5 here and 5 square here and 5 cube here. So 5 is the least. So I have written here 5. And 7 power 4 here, 7 power cube here and 7 square here. And 7 square is the least one. So I am writing 7 square, which is the least one I have to write. Okay. So here it becomes 4 into 5 into 49. So you get the answer 980. Now here comes your second question. From these we have to find the HCF. So 108 HCF is 2 square into 3 cube. First we have to take LCM for this and then I have to take the least numbers. So I have taken 2 square into 3 cube. Next 288 comma 360. So I have taken 288. HCF of this is 2 power 5 into 3 square. So 360 I have there. So you get 2 cube into 5 into 3 square. So HCF I must take only the least number and that is which is common in these three. Right. So this is the least than this. Okay. I have taken 2 square here and 3 square. In the three of them, only 3 numbers are there. Or in all these 3, I have to take only the least number and that too which is common. In the 3 numbers, 2 is common, 3 is common, right? 5 is given only in the 360, not in 108 and 288. So 3 square is the least. So I am multiplying 2 power 4 into 3 square, 4 into 9, 4 9s are 36. Moving on to the next question. Find the HCF of 513, 1134, 1215. So I am dividing this number, middle number, by this number. Okay, so when I divide 1134 ones are 1134, I am getting the remainder as 81. So I am dividing this remainder by 1134. Okay, so 81 into 14. Okay, 81 ones are 81. I'm getting the remainder as 324. And 81 fours are 324. I'm getting the remainder as 0. Next, HCF of 1134 and 1215 is 81. Okay, see, it is common in these two. When I divide 1134 and 1215, I'm getting the remainder as 81, and I'm taking it here 81 and I'm dividing by 1134, you will get remainder as 0. It means it is common between them. And then HCF of 513 is 81, right? That is common. 81 is common, so I am dividing 81 by 513. I am getting the answer as 27, and again I am dividing 27 and 81 here. So what is the answer? 0. So HCF is 27 for all the three, including 513 also. Moving on to the fourth question. Reduce 591 divided by 667 to its lowest terms. Okay, so I am getting the HCF. When you take HCF for this, actually HCF is in the LCM method. When you take like this, you will get 23 as the answer. Now I am dividing numerator and denominator by 23. Okay, dividing numerator and denominator by 23, I am getting the answer as 17 by 29. Fifth one, find the LCM of 2 square, 3 cube into 5 into 7 square dot 3 cube into 3 square into 5 square into 7 power 4. Actually this is not dot, this is comma. 2 into 3 into 5 cube into 7 into 11. So they have asked to find the LCM. LCM equal to product of the highest powers of, actually HCF is the least powers we have to take, but for LCM, product of highest powers of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So in this, the product of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 is 2, here 2 square we have, here 2 cube we have, here only 2. So which is the highest term? 2 cube. And 3, here 3 cube, here 3 square, here only 3. So I have 3 cube, it is the highest term. 5 cube, here we have only 5, here 5 square, here 5 cube. So I am taking only 5 cube. And 7 power 4, here it is the only highest term, so 7 power 4. 11 is only in this. 11 is not in any other, so 11. This is the product of highest powers. If you multiply and write, it is also correct. If you write like this, it is also correct. Moving on to the sixth one, find the LCM of 72, 108, 2100. LCM of 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. When you take LCM 72, you will get these answers. When you take 108, you will get these answers. When you take 2100, you you will get 2 square into 5 square into 3 into 5. Sorry, 7. LCM equal to highest powers only we should take. So in these three, which is common? 2, 3. There is no 5 here and here. Only in this 5 we have. Okay. 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 square and 7. When I multiply and write, I am getting 37,800 as the answer. Moving to the 7th question. Find the LCM of 16, 24, 36, 54. So when I take LCM for this, I'm taking in all these numbers here. So when I multiply, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2, balance 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 2 7s are 14. And again taking LCM, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 27 as it is I am writing here. And 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 9 doesn't come in 2 table. So I am taking 9 only as it is here. So 27 also doesn't come in 2 tables. So I am writing as it is 27. And 2 doesn't come in 3. So I am writing same 2 here. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. And 2 as it is. 3 1 is always 1. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Taking LCM for this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and here we have 2 into 3. When I multiply this, I am getting the answer as 432. Moving to 8th question. Find the HCF and LCM of 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 16 by 81, 10 by 27. HCF equal to, actually this is the fraction, HCF and LCM fractions. You have to keep it in mind, these kind of formulas. HCF of numerators 2, 8, 16, 10 and LCM of 3, 9, 81, 27. When I multiply this, I am getting the answer as 2 by 81. Next, LCM equal to LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. When I divide it, and we will get the answer as 80 by 3. Moving to the 9th question, find the HCF and LCM of 0.63, 1.05, 2.1. Here comes the solution. Making sum of same number decimal places, the given numbers are 0.63, 1.05, 2.10. Without decimal places, these numbers are 63, 105 into 210. Actually, when we multiply into 10, we will get these answers. Now, HCF equal to, HCF of these, when I take it as an LCM and I take the numbers which are least, I will get the answer as 21. HCF of 0.63, 1.05, 2.1 is 0.21, same as it is. And LCM of 63, 105 and 210 is 630. LCM is highest terms we have to take. LCM of 0.63, 1.05 and 2.1 is 6.30. That's it, the answer. Next, 10th question. Two numbers are in the ratio of 15:11, if their HCF is 13, find the numbers. Let the required numbers be 15x and 11x. Then their HCF is x. So x equal to 13. Only they have given what is given in the question. I am taking as x. 13 as x. The numbers, when we multiply this 15 into 13 and 11 into 13, you will get the answer as 195 and 143. Moving to the 11th question, the HCF of two numbers is 11 and LCM is 693. If one of the numbers is 77, find the other. To find the other number, we have to multiply two numbers of 11 HCF into LCM divided by one of the number. Will give you the answer. Will give you other number. Moving to the 12th question, find the greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the length 4 meter 95 centimeter, 9 meter, 16 meter 65 centimeter. The solution is required length of HCF of 495. Since 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Alright? Since 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, okay, here I am taking 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So, actually I have made a mistake. 1 minute. Actually, this is in meter. 1 meter 95 centimeter. So when I take 4 meter, 4 into 100, 400 plus 95, I am getting 495 centimeter, 900 centimeter, 600. 1600 into 100 we have to multiply. 1600 plus 65. Since both are in centimeter, we have to add it. So 1665 centimeter will get it. When I take HCF for this, you will get the answers like this. When I take HCF, we have to take the least numbers. So 3 square, 5, 5. Okay, when I multiply 9 into 5, 45. Next, 13th question. Find the greatest number which on dividing 1651 and 2032 leaves remainders as 6 and 5 respectively. Solution required number equal to HCF of 1651 minus 6, and I have to subtract 1651 minus this and 2032 minus 5. So I'll get the answers as like this. So equal to HCF of 51 and 2032. Okay. Now HCF of 1651 and 2032 is, we have to find out that. So when I I'm taking in division 1651 here and 2032 here. 1651 ones are 1651. I am getting the answer remainder as 381. After that I am taking the remainder here and 1651 here. So 381 into 4, I'll get 1524. Remainder is 127. So I am taking 127 here and 381 here. So you will get the remainder as 0. So one which in the last term where you get 0 is the answer. Moving to the 14th question, find the largest number which divides 62, 132, 237 to leave the same remainder in each case. Solution. Required number equal to HCF. We have to multiply the second number by first number, last number by the second number, and the last number by first number. So the HCF, when I subtract this, I am getting these answers. So when I take HCF for all these three, I am getting the answer as 35. Find the least number exactly divisible by 12, 15, 20, 27. So when I take LCM for this, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Since 3 does not consist of 20, I'm leaving the same here, and 3 9s are 27. 4 1s are 4, 5 doesn't come in 4, so I am taking 4 5 as same, and 4 5s are 20, 9 same. 5 1s 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and 9. Okay. Moving to the 16th question, find the least number which when divided by 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, leave the same remainder 1 in each case. So the required number equal to LCM of 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 plus 1 we have to add at last after taking LCM for this. So when we take LCM, 3 2s are 6, 7 as it is, 8 as it is, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4, actually this is not 4, these both are 2, just a mistake. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 7 as it is, 2 4s are 8, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, okay. 1 as it is, 7 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2. When I take LCM for this, I have to multiply 3 into 2 into 2, 3 into 2 into 2 I have taken, and last, even if you take LCM for this, 7 1s are 7, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, you will get the same. So as it is, I am taking here 7, 2, 3. When I multiply this, I am getting the answer as 504 plus 1 should be added since they have asked which leaves the remainder 1 in each case, right? So I have to add plus 1. So 504 plus 1 equal to 505. Moving to the 17th question, find the largest number of 4 digits exactly divided by 12, 15, 18, 27. Here comes the solution. The largest number of 4 digits is always 99999. Required number must be divisible by LCM of 12, 15, 18, 27. That is 540. When you take LCM for this, you will get the answer as 540. Okay. Required number must be divisible, right? Required number, this is a required number, so it should be divisible by 9999. We get the remainder as 279. Okay. When you divide 9999 by 540, we'll get 279 as the remainder. So required number equal to 9999 minus 279. You will get the answer as 9720 as the answer. I will divide and show it to you. I'm writing here 4. Remainder will be 279. Moving to the 18th question, find the smallest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 16, 24, 36, 54. Here comes the solution. Smallest number of the 5 digits. Here they asked the smallest number of the 5 digits. So I am taking 10,000 as the smallest number, which is 5 digits. Okay. Required number must be divisible by the LCM of 16, 24, 36, 54. That is, when I take LCM for this, I am getting the answer as 432. As same as the last sum, it is also the same. Last sum they have asked 4 digit. In this sum they have asked smallest 5 digit. On dividing 10,000 by 432, we get the remainder as 64. So the required number equal to 10,000 plus 432 minus 64. You will get the answer as 10,368. Moving to the 19th question. Find the least number which when divided by 20, 25, 35, 40 leaves remainder 14, 19, 29, 34. Here we have to subtract 20 minus 14, 25 minus 19, 35 minus here 35 minus 29 and 40 minus 34. You will get the answer. All the cases you are getting the answers, the 6. So required number LCM of 20, 25, 35, 40 minus 6, you will get the answer as 1394. Moving to the 20th question, find the least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves a remainder 3, but when divided by 9 leaves no remainder. LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8 is 840. Required number is in the form of 840k plus 3. Least value of k for which 840k plus 3 is divisible by 9. Okay. So when you take k equal to 2, it is exactly divisible by 9, which leaves a remainder 0. Okay. So required number equal to 840 into 2 plus 3, which leaves no remainder. So I am getting the answer 1683. Moving to the 21 question, the traffic lights are different, 3 different roads crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds, 108 seconds if they all change simultaneously at 8:20:0 hours. Then at what time they again change simultaneously? Here comes the solution. Interval of change equal to LCM of 48, 72, 108 seconds. You will get the answer as 432 seconds. So the lights will again change simultaneously after every 432 seconds. So when I divide 432 seconds, second means it is divisible by 60. Okay, that is 7 minutes. So when I divide by 60, you will get the answer as 7 minutes 12 seconds. Okay, hence the next change will take place at 8:27. Yes. 27. Yeah, they have asked 8:20:0, right? So when I add 20 plus 7, you will get 8:27:12 hours. Here comes the 22 question. Arrange the fractions 17 by 18, 31 by 36, 43 by 45, 59 by 60 in the ascending order. Since the denominator, we have to find the LCM first. So when we take LCM for the denominators, you will get the answer as 180. Now, since the denominators must always be, since LCM is 180, denominators must also be in 180 when we divide. So the required numbers are 17 into 10 divided by 18 into 10, you will get the answer as 170 and 180. When I take 31 by 36, you have to multiply by 5 and 5. Since the denominator should be in 180 in all the cases. 155 by 180. Here also comes 4, which divides and multiplies by 4 to get the answer in the denominator as 180. Since we have to get the denominator as 180, we have to multiply with the required number, which gives the answer as 180. 59 into 3, 60 into 3, 6 3s are 18, so I am getting the denominator as 180. Since they have asked in the ascending order, we have to arrange it, right? So when I take 155, 170, 172, 177 is the highest. So should be divided by 180, right? So when I divide totally, you will get the same answer which is in the question. But it should be arranged in the ascending order.